Unlocking the hidden power of Outlook search. Ever struggled to find an email in Outlook? With just a few tweaks, you can make the search function more powerful and save time in your daily email routine. Here's how. #1. Enhance your search scope. Access search settings. Go to File in the upper panel, then select Options from the lower left corner. Adjust search scope. In the new window, click Search and set the scope to all mailboxes. This ensures results include shared and connected mailboxes. Include deleted items. Enable searching in the deleted items folder, a lifesaver when emails get accidentally deleted. Highlight results. Choose a color for your search results, e.g. red, to make them stand out. Now, when you use the search bar, it automatically searches all mailboxes, including deleted items, and highlights the results in your chosen color. Master the search bar filters. Click the search bar and you'll notice a set of buttons appearing below it. Here's how to use them. Add filters. Use buttons like Has Attachments to display only emails with attachments. Combine filters. Combine multiple filters for precise results. For example, click Has Attachments and then a sender's name to view all emails with attachments from that sender. Quick access. If the filter options are blocked by another window, click on the right side of the panel to collapse it while keeping the filters visible. Why this matters. With these tips, you can find emails faster, avoid frustration, and improve productivity. Whether you're searching across shared mailboxes or recovering deleted emails, these small adjustments make a big difference. Try these tricks today and see how they transform your Outlook experience.